Do you ever wonder why some photographers just see things you don't? It's not magic, it's a habit you can train. Let me show you exactly how to get started. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. Most people think great photographers are naturals, but they're not. They're just paying attention more often and more intentionally than everybody else. When you train your eye, it's like you're installing a new piece of software in your brain, and you suddenly start noticing how light rolls off surfaces, how shapes repeat, how lines guide the eye, and how tone and texture set the mood. And the more you look, the more you'll see. And that's what makes your photos stronger. This is why a small daily practice is so powerful. You're not waiting for free time to improve. You're building micro habits to sharpen your vision every single day. And here's the good news. You don't need hours and hours on end. You don't need a new camera. You just need a few minutes where you become fully present and start looking with purpose. When you do that, your photography changes for the better even before you press that shutter. Next week, I'll show you the first 3-minute exercise that completely sharpens your eye for light. But if you can't wait until then, and you want the full routine, the exact 10-minute daily workout, watch the full video, train your eye in 10 minutes a day right after this. It's also linked in the description. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.